This is the DigitalFoto GC60, and it is a portable, battery-powered video light. It is super powerful, and I think it might just be my favorite video light. Let me tell you why. Now, before we get into the video, I first just want to tell you that yes, DigitalFoto sent me this in the post. However, they did not pay me for this review. They have not told me what I can say and what I can't say. All of the views in this video are completely mine, but they did send me this for free. I didn't pay for this with my own money. However, I would definitely recommend it, and I am definitely going to buy a few more of these because they are very versatile and I've fallen in love with this light. So with that all cleared, let's get into the review. So this is a bicolor light and it shoots from 2700 kelvins all the way up to 6500 kelvins with a 95 plus CRI. This has an internal battery which, when you are operating at 100%, lasts 2 hours. But the great thing with this light is when you're using it, if I was to go to 100%, it would tell me that I have 2 hours left. But if I pull that down to 10%, it will tell me that I have a lot more. So it always keeps you updated on how long you've got left in your battery. And of course, it does have a USB Type-C at the back, so you can just plug this into the mains as well if you don't want that battery option. The light has an array of built-in effects, so it can do bad TV, lightning, flicker, SOS, and a few more as well. The light is completely rainproof except for the USB, but it does come with a rubber cap, so as long as you've got the rubber cap in, then you should be fine. But the rest of the light is completely rainproof, so shooting outside on a rainy day will be completely fine. Now, what's really cool about this is you've got this pop-out Bowens mount. So this means you can use this with softboxes or any other lighting modifiers that you have. It uses that universal Bowens mount. So as you'll see, I've got a softbox here, and I can just pop this softbox directly onto the light, and this means I have a portable battery-powered softbox light with me with over 2 hours of battery at full power. It's pretty incredible. So I've just locked that into the Bowens mount, secure that in, and then I can power this up, and I've got this softbox light with me. I'm not connected to any cables. It is completely battery powered, and this is going to be really good for any run and gun operators. Now, I'm just going to take the softbox off because that's a little bit large to be. Now, you've probably noticed with it in this position, how do you mount this to a light stand? Well, it comes with an adapter. This is the adapter, and this can also be used as a handle. This is the mounting screw at the top. You choose one of these mounting holes, and there's loads of different options on the light. You can see there's 1/4 inch holes all over the light. But you just screw this in like this, so this now becomes a handle. And as you'll see at the bottom, this is where you would connect this to a light stand, and you can use this as a normal light. Now, you've probably noticed there's no actual buttons on this. Everything is controlled with this wheel. I'm not sure if they've done this for usability or for ease of use or to keep it waterproof, but I absolutely love this wheel system. You haven't got any horrible loud clicky dials or buttons or any other complicated menu systems. You just have a dial. So you turn it clockwise to increase the brightness, or you turn it anti-clockwise to reduce the brightness. Now, if you wanted to change the color temperature of the light, you would half turn, hold for 2 seconds, and now you can change the color temperature of the light. So I can go all the way down to 27 or go all the way up to 65. And if you wanted to access the effects, then all you need to do is a half turn to the left, hold for 2 seconds, and then you can flick through all of the different effects. Now, it does also come with this dome as well, so this is really cool to have. And that doesn't need that large Bowens mount adapter, it just goes onto the small one. So as you can see, it's going to throw the light quite far using this adapter. Now, this light is really compact, it's battery powered, its build quality is really high, it's solid metal. The Bowens mount's plastic, but the body itself is just solid metal. It is rainproof, it's got a really genius Bowens mount system, it's bicolor, it's super bright, it's super portable. This light is smaller, but more powerful and more capable than some of my other plug-in video lights. So if you were looking to purchase some video lighting, then I would definitely put this on your watch list and have a look at this, because this has honestly become one of my favorite video lights. Thank you once again to DigitalFoto for sending me this light to play with. I've really enjoyed placing this onto my music videos and having a play with this light and seeing what it is capable of. This is going to become an absolute staple in my kit list. So thank you to DigitalFoto. And of course, thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support. I hope you've enjoyed this video and thank you for watching. See you on the next one.